Hello, welcome to Math and Tech YouTube channel. In the last class we discussed maximum minimum theorem and boundedness theorem. So what are the hypotheses? The interval must be closed and bounded. Let I be an interval, closed and bounded interval, and f is a continuous function. So the three conditions are: the interval is bounded, second, the interval is closed, third, the function f be continuous on I. Our statement is, let I be a closed bounded interval and f from I to R be continuous on I. Then the function f is bounded on I. If we relax any one of the hypotheses, the conclusion fails. That is, the function is not bounded. So note examples. First, the interval is bounded. Suppose the function f of x equal to x element 0 infinity. Clearly the graph f of x equal to x. So x tends to infinity, what happens? F value tends to infinity. So the function f is unbounded. The reason is the interval is unbounded. The interval is unbounded, therefore this function is unbounded. So the theorem fails. Our second example is, the interval is closed. Suppose we take f of x equal to 1 by x in the open interval 0, 1. The interval is open here. Again the function is not bounded. Why? What happens when x close to 0? X tends to 0, not the graph. X tends to 0, what happens? 1 by x value tends to infinity. So x tending to 0, x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to infinity. That is, the function f is unbounded. The reason is the interval is open or not closed. The interval is not closed. Therefore, the continuous function is here unbounded. Both these functions, f of x equal to x continuous, f of x equal to 1 by x continuous. But first example unbounded, interval is unbounded, therefore the function is not bounded. Second example, the interval is not closed, then again the function is unbounded. In both cases, the function f is continuous. Our third hypothesis, the function f is continuous on I. So what happens when f is discontinuous? One example, f of x equal to x in the open closed interval 0, 1. So open 0 to closed 1 by x defined ആണ്, and at x equal to 0 we define f of x equal to 1. Then this function is defined on closed interval 0, 1. X equal to 0 value 1 and x greater than 0 to 1 including 1 value 1 by x. Then this function is defined on the closed and bounded interval 0, 1. Closed interval 0, 1 and bounded interval 0, 1. But this function is not continuous. We define f of x equal to, when x equal to 0 value equal to 1 here. So it is discontinuous at the point 0. X tending to 0 plus limit not defined ആണ്. X equal to 0 value 1 ആണ്. So at the point 0 limit not defined. So it is a discontinuous at 0. So this function is discontinuous, and again it is unbounded. We consider some examples on maximum minimum theorem. The maximum minimum theorem statement: let I be a closed bounded interval and f be a continuous function on I, then f has an absolute maximum and an absolute minimum on I. On the interval I, not the point. Has an absolute maximum at some point in the interval I and absolute minimum at some point in the interval I. So note the first example: f of x equal to 1 by x for all x in the open interval 0 infinity. In this interval this function is continuous, but the interval is unbounded. It is open interval and unbounded interval. So note the graph: x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to infinity. So the function values 1 by x tends to infinity. It has no absolute maximum value. It has no absolute minimum value. Minimum value, infimum value 0. X tending to infinity, 1 by infinity 0. Values tends to 0. Minimum, infimum value 0. Infimum of the set equal to 0. But there is no point in the set with infimum value or f of x value equal to 0. So it has no absolute minimum value. Similarly, on the open interval 1 infinity, what about 1? 1 by 1 1 and infinity 1 by infinity 0. So note the figure from 1 to infinity. This maximum value, supremum value 1. Supremum value 1 at the point 1 ആണ്, but 1 is not an element here. So it has no absolute maximum value. Supremum equal to 1, this height equal to 1 at the point 1, but at the point 1, 1 is not an element in the given interval. So it has no supremum value. Again, infimum value equal to 0, and we can't find a point in the interval with infimum equal to 0. In the interval, the function has both supremum 1, infimum 0, but we can't points in this interval with f of x equal to 1 and f of x equal to 0. And on the closed and bounded interval 1 2, function same f of x. In all these cases 1 by x continuous. In the last interval open closed interval 1 2. So what are the values? Maximum equal to 1, minimum equal to 1 by 2 ആണ്. Supremum equal to 1, infimum equal to 1 by 2. At 2, infimum value 1 by 2. At 1, 1 by 1, 1. So it has absolute maximum value at 1 and absolute minimum value at the point 2, and absolute maximum equal to 1, absolute minimum equal to 1 by 2. So note these examples: closed and bounded interval and continuous function. Then absolute maximum exists and absolute minimum exists on the set. Open closed, open 0, closed 1, absolute minimum at the point 1. So it has an absolute minimum but no absolute maximum. Open interval 0 1, no absolute maximum, no absolute minimum.